Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Regita Intan from 1D Study Program of Radiological Techniques. In this opportunity, I would like to presentation about manual processing radiographic film. I choose material about manual processing radiographic film because the process of forming a latent image into a visible image. And I learned number one introduction, and number two description, number three basic principles, number four closing manual processing radiographic film. An introduction of manual processing film is the process of forming a latent image into a visible image. One of most important pieces of equipment is thermometer when using manual processing. Fixer and developer can be placed in one large tank filled with thermostatically controlled water and is a method that is used to develop rinsing, fixing, washing, and drying. And description manual processing radiographic film number one developer and developer the first stage in film processing at this stage is occurs as a result of irradiation and what is called the generator is the change in silver halide grains in the emulsion which has been exposed to metallic silver or the change in the latent image to a visible image. This change to metallic silver plays a role in blackening the parts that are exposed to X-rays according to the light received by X-rays. And developer solution consists of developing agent. Number one, in the standard developer solution, two materials are used, penidone and hydroquinone. Number two, the overall density is generated by synergistic action. And replenisher provided with a cover to minimize contact with air, and restrainer withstand excessive reduction, especially in AGBR on an exposed film. And the preservative counteract the influence of oxygen. And the last solvent, all components of this developer material are dissolved to become a developer solution. And number two, rinsing or flushing. Water with a pH of 7 is used to remove the developer fluid which is still attached to the alkaline film and enters the next stage of the acidic pH and stop the developer process. Number three is fixing or determination, stops the generation process so that there is no more shadow change on the film. The composition of the fixer, namely buffer, hardener, exit fixing again. And this fiction is harden the emulsion and clear image. And number four is washing, removes the materials obtained during the fixing with a temperature of 25 degrees. Standard processing time is 10 minutes. Flowing water to maintain the concentration of gradients and increase the rate of diffusion of chemicals from the emulsion to the water. And number 5 is drying. Use temperature 40 degrees until 50 degrees with low humidity. And basic principles of manual processing film. One of the processes in the radiography is a processing procedure that converts the latent image created by X-rays into a radiographic image. This procedure requires the assistance of photographic chemicals. The influencing factors are solution temperatures, immersion time, solution concentration, and solution pH. In the basic principles of solution temperatures, the higher the temperature of the developing agent solution, the more active it is. And the immersion time, the longer it is in the solution, the resulting density will be higher and reverse. And in Solution concentration, the percentage of water to the other chemical in solution becomes measured by specific gravity. And the last solution pH, a solution containing alone or metal will differ from a developer containing penidone. And closing manual processing film by using human labor through several processes. And the processing stages in automatic processing are almost the same as manual film processing. In automatic processing, there is no rinsing stage like manual processing because it has been replaced by rolls. And from my presentation, can conclude that is a film is not processed properly, all the effort put into the X-ray room to get a good radiograph is also not achievable. That's all from me. If there is a word error, please forgive and stay at home when leaving the house. Don't forget to always use a mask. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.